Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Hello, February! It is February already. Unbelievable. And, of course, hashtag 52 and 22 is each month. It's a project, and then each week it's a theme. And this month's project is tags, and each week is a different theme. And first week of February is 2 tags, vintage. So here are mine. They're very similar, a little bit different. I went in this direction. So I just made my tag, and I stamped out an image on a tag, and then I used vintage photo all around it, a book page, and then I took a little marker and I made like a sewing stitch going around it. I have some metal here in the corners and some pearls, and have metal here in the center. I have this butterfly that I vintaged up, took a vintage photo, and then this is a charcoal pencil going around the butterfly to make it a little darker there. And then I added these pearls and coming off the metal piece in the center. And then, of course, in the corner. So that's that one. Trying to get it all in. For some reason. There we go. So that's what that one looks like. There we go. Let's see it. And I did 2. They're, like I said, similar but different. And here's this one. Same thing. Different images on the back, if you see. You can tell they're a different stamped image. And this is music note paper this time. Did the stitching around it. Used different little metal piece in the corner. And pearls. Different metal piece there. Different butterfly. Did the same thing, charcoal around this one. But I also charcoaled the edges on this one as well. Gave it a dark look. And that's that one. And that are my vintage tags. I like how they turned out. I think they look pretty cool, actually. Because I was like, do I want to do the people, get some Tim Holtz little paper dolls, and I was like, I wanted to kind of, and I have, these are just those little Dollar Tree butterflies that come in a package. And like I said, I just use vintage photo on top of it to make it look darkened, I guess is the word, and not so shiny. And that's how that, I think I looked good. I keep thinking, well, I like how they look. I like how they look. They look vintage to me. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think they look vintage. But this is week 1 of February's tags. The theme was vintage. So, this will challenge me because there's one coming up that I'm not used to doing. And I was like, oh. So, I can handle vintage. I can handle steampunk grunge. But when it comes to girly, that one's going to be a challenge. So you will have to see. I will see y'all next week, guys. And I thank you for watching. Oh, before I forget, if you would like to do hashtag 52 and 22, it's real easy, guys. Like I said, each month's a theme. This month's tags. Each week, each month is the item, or the craft item. So this month is tags. Each week is a theme. And we're doing 2 tags a week. And like this week was vintage theme. You don't have to do videos. If you'd like to participate and you don't do videos, you can send Sabrina and I a picture of your item. And we'll make Sabrina will do a little video. Or you can just post what you've created on Tina's Crafty Life and Friends. And either way. So, or you can post it on hashtag 52 and 22 on Instagram. I'm not too sure how Instagram works. I'm not an Instagram user, but I know Sabrina does. So, but if you have any questions and you would like to participate, just reach out to Sabrina and I. It's really easy, guys. Real easy. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.